Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a mini Torrid haul. I bought like 3 or 4 things, so I just wanted to haul it because why not? So if you want to see what I got for the spring/summer mini haul at Torrid, then just keep watching. Dive in. Let's start with the first thing. Hold on. Let me get the receipt out. Alright, let's start with the first thing that is not clothing, and I got these sunglasses. I thought they were just so cool. Let me put them on. Yes! I don't know why I like them. They are the Rimless Mirror Cat. That's all it says. It looks like they were $14.90. They did have a lot of sales going on. I'll try to look away so that the ring light doesn't bug you. Or we could just take them off. They had, I noticed, sales with a lot of stuff, and the jewelry and the accessories were, I think, buy one get one for $5. I did only get one thing though. These are cute. And I double check in the store because one of them that I was about to grab, this was like really loose. So I would just be careful if you're buying them in store. If you're buying them online, I'm sure they would ship you ones that are good condition, but there's that. Okay, let's move on. This is gonna be a short video, sorry. The next thing I got was this yellow shirt thing. I'll insert a video right now of me with this, wearing this. I did notice it's fairly see-through, so you're definitely going to want to wear a white bra under it, which, sorry, I have a black one on. Also possibly even a camisole under it, because I noticed my black leggings, you could see where they sat. So you definitely can see through this. Even though it does have, you know, a layer underneath, that's obviously the lace or the, what is this called? Is it chiffon? I don't know. It's obviously see-through, but it does have, you know, an undershirt, but it's fairly see-through itself. So it is really cute. I like how it sits on the shoulder with the extra, you know, little sleeve that's not really a full sleeve, so it doesn't hurt your arms. It definitely fits the arm, which is important. Let's see, this one I got in a size 3, and it is $42.90, and they did have a sale of buy one get one half off for all of their normal priced or regular priced items. I think they said clearance was buy one get one free. Okay, next is another yellow thing. I just am obsessed with yellow. It just makes you feel happier. The next thing I got is this shirt. It's a lace shirt in the front and back. It's just, honestly, it's not the most flattering for my body type, but I didn't care because this is so freaking soft. I think they call it a soft touch something, like it was, yeah, super soft knits is what it's called. So this is also in a size 3, and this one retails for $38.90, and it's just this nice like mustardy shade. Oh, I'm telling you, I don't care that it doesn't look the greatest on me, because this feeling, oh my gosh, I wish you could feel this. I mean, if you have a Torrid near you, I would literally just go and touch these. I think it's a new line or something. I don't know. Maybe it's not new, but it's new to me. And I think it's just called Super Soft Knits. But if you have one near you, go and touch this. That sounds really weird, but it's just so soft. I told you this would be a short video. So the last thing I have is this. I absolutely love the color. It matches my nails, which is hilarious. But it's just the It's just the see-through shirt. It's high in the front, or regular. It's regular, what's the wording? It sits in a normal spot in the front, but then it is extra long in the back, so it's like the high-low. But it is all see-through. And then I don't have a problem with it in my arms, because it looks like the arm space is pretty wide. So I don't have any problems with it. And yeah, I mean, it's super nice. It's really comfortable. I love the look. I love the color. This one is also in a size 3, and it retails for $48.90. that is my small haul. Sorry, it's so short. Obviously, I wish I could buy more, but I just can't afford to buy more at one sitting. So if I do these hauls and continue to do them, they probably will be short. I do want to incorporate fashion into this because I know it's hard to find plus size clothes that fit right and then look right. So I do want to start incorporating more of them, just mostly for myself so that I can find more places, but also for other people who don't want to spend the money to know if something works yet and they'd rather just see if it is good quality or if it fits good on other people. So I will be doing more of these. I did want to mention, am I the only one? I don't know if I just never noticed this, but I feel like Torrid recycles their clothes. And what I mean by that is I noticed the last season, like the last fall season, the last winter season, that all the clothes tend to look the same. Like the style is the same, they just change the prints. I've noticed a lot of stuff that's in store now, I have other things of just in other colors and other prints. Is that just me? Am I just now realizing this, or has that been a thing? Anyways, that is all I have for this video, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.